Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be another one in the beginners welding art series, and today we are going to be making a snowman. We're going to be using a couple of different size ball bearings, a washer and a nut, and a few other bits and bobs to do the arms, the nose, etc. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Now let's get cracking. So I'm going to just start off by making the hat. So I've got this washer and this nut. Put it on that way round, just weld it through that way, I think, so you don't see the welds. So let's do that. Okay, so that's the hat on. Now let's mount the hat to the head, or ball bearing. So this stage we don't really care where it actually lands as such, but I would like it at a slight tilt, just give it character. So let's mount him to the body. Yeah, I've just got this old coat hanger, which I think we will just weld on there for the arms. One. Now for the second one. More splatter spray. Let's weld it back on. And off as well. Of course, the thing when doing a snowman, you know, you make it out of twigs and stuff like that, so it doesn't have to be uniform or anything like that, really. So you just sort of make it how you like it, really, just like you did when you was a kid, making a snowman. So yeah, that's. Then we just need to give him some eyes in that now. Oh, and of course, let's not forget something for the nose, which was traditionally a carrot, I believe. So let's just weld the eyes in. So we'll just go here. Here. There we go, some nice little eyes, which works alright actually. And now we just need, say, a little nose. I think what was the eyes traditionally piece of coal, wasn't it? I think. So yeah, just got this screw here, we use that as the nose. It's a little bit long, I would say. So let's cut that back, probably back to where the actual thread is. I just need to weld a little base on so he can sit down properly. Washer. There he should do. There he should sit there like that, right? Weld him on the bottom. I think this thing's galvanised, so. Just going to weld on this. Give it something a bit more smiley. So yeah, now I'm just going to weld that on there, make it a bit more of a smile. Let's cut him off. So yeah, there he is. Not the most handsomest of fellas, I have to say, but there we go. I've grinded on the old tie there because that makes it look a little bit like it's got the fabric of what a tie would be. But other than that, he's not too bad. Again, like I say, it's quite a nice, easy project to do. A little bit fiddly when you get to the nose, trying to hold him at the same time. Getting the mouth and the eyes in the right place can be a bit of a pain in the arse. As you can see, mine aren't quite spot on. So, but yeah, there he is. He's come together quite nicely. I think he's all right. I hope you like him. If you do, hit that thumbs up button, and please do feel free to comment. All right, cheers. Take care.